Hello, welcome to all the people from Multihulls World, Multihulls magazine. We are on board the Lagoon 51. If we have to, go on the main topics that led the design of the Lagoon 51, first one was what we gathered around circulation, which means not only walk around in a boat, but also get on board, get out of the boat, get to the sea. And you will see one of the most remarkable items is the Transoms of the Lagoon 51 that stand out and really make the boat extremely easy to board, but also host up to 3 people on each of the transoms. And as you know, when we are at the hook, at the anchor, that's one of those parts of the boat, areas of the boat that are mostly used. But also more possible because one of those a big change that we did on the Lagoon 51 was to relocate the mast at the front end of the coach roof to a more classical rig where the genoa will be overlapping, so it will track the boat better in light air. The mast will be out of the accommodation, so there is no more compression post inside the saloon, and it leaves more space on the upper side of the coach roof for this big fly bridge and sunbathing area. This will also allow, as I said, the saloon to be completely free of any interruption, and so the visibility, the brightness is enhanced, together with a clearer wood that also brings more light not only in the saloon but also in the cabins.